Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we had a monthly close at an all-time high. Okay, and the reality of the situation at the moment is this really strong move, 2 months or 3 month consolidation, and then a breakout above that consolidation. So another way of looking at it is a 2-bar pullback and a bull trend. So there's no reason to be looking for shorts. You're looking for longs, and you're looking for reasons to buy into this. If we look at the daily, you'll see we do have a pin bar right up here in amongst this weird structure that formed. But as far as I'm concerned, we are looking for a level to hold. Okay, and the first level to hold is pretty much the high of yesterday. So let's just get down to the 3 hour. Right, so the high of yesterday is here. I'm looking for a pullback back into this area right here. So yesterday's pullback worked pretty well. You can see we came back, didn't quite get all the way down here, but as I say, keep looking at your levels. Keep your levels on the lower time frames, and we'll go through that on the lower time frames now. But where are we looking? Let's just do that. So that was a level that we would have been looking for here, which was 35.90 for an area to buy off. Right now we've got a gap here as well. Okay, we've broken through this area. I want to see this area. I want to find support here. 36.47. We find support. That's another opportunity to buy. And as I've mentioned before, we've got some pretty good structure to look for. So got a second move here. But we better put it in. There's our first move, consolidation. There's our second move, target. Okay, and that's 3,700 pretty much. So 3,700, then 3,800, then 4,000. Those are the target areas to the upside. Okay, let's get to the 1 hour. Right, so let's just first start with yesterday's pullback here. We had a first attempt down, and you can see it didn't quite close on it or close above the level. And whenever it closes below level, I'm always wary, because then you'll get a bit of a rally, but then there's normally another move to the downside. Okay, now if we start moving the structure, you can see that's the first bit of structure. Move this level a little bit further down, because there are the other areas. Okay, and you'll see that's a lot better. We had a bounce off it. We had a tweezer bottom here, and that tweezer bottom there was the area to buy off. And I'll just continue that train of thought with the 15-minute. Okay, pull back, big move up, pin bar off the level. Okay, above the pin bar was your entry, below the pin bar was your stop, and you could have left that overnight as well. Anyway, so that was yesterday's move. Today's move, what we're looking for is we're looking for structure. So let's just do this on the hour so we're all on the same page. And what I'm going to do here, same scenario. So we've got these two highs here. You can see it's fairly strong. There is another level just below it. Okay, and then bear in mind that you've also got this gap. Okay, so this is a pretty strong move, a very strong bull move in actual fact. But I'm looking for a pullback. So we're looking for 36.47, and then we're looking for 36.43, 36.40 area for another move to the upside. We do have a bit of a double bottom, similar pattern to what's happening on the Dow Jones. Okay, there's the first leg, there's the second leg, there's a neckline, and we're looking for that as our first target. So that's 36.80. Okay, I'd be looking for 36.79. So that is our first target. Obviously, I want to see a pullback first. Okay, so pullback onto structure. Let me just delete that there. Pullback onto structure here at 36.47 or 36.40 area, somewhere around there. Then I'm looking for an opportunity to buy into 36.80. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. It is starting to look pretty bullish. We've got a lot of noise in the market this week. So we've got data, we've got political ramblings, we've got coronavirus, we've got vaccines that are going to the FDA for approval. There's a lot of potential moves in the market at the moment. And then I suspect the Black Friday retail data to start trickling through fairly soon. And that's going to be a pretty good indicator as well as what's going on. Yesterday, the US housing data came out, which wasn't the best. A bit of a reduction there, new housing sales. But as it is with all the data, all the negative data that comes through, you have this squirt down, and then the buyers step in and keep driving it higher. So anyway, that's the direction I'm looking to go in. I'm looking to go with the trend. The trend is up, so I'm looking to buy the dips, and that's pretty much my strategy at the moment. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.